Stamperia introducing the Garden Collection. This line brings the serenity and the joy of a home garden into your scrapbook. A patchwork of pastel flowers, vintage gardening tools, and curious birdhouses. Scrapbooking pads available in two sizes, 12 by 12 inches and 8 by 8 inches. These designs are the perfect backdrop to preserve your greenest memories. Rub on in two variations. Cut and rub it. Decorative chips in three lovely designs. Wooden shapes, ephemera and die cuts. Rice paper backgrounds in a pack of 6 designs, and 4 rice paper in A4 size. Try our rice paper glue. 2 stencils. Two molds with birdhouses, these bicycles. Lovely. And 4 charming fabrics. Infuse your artistic projects with the timeless beauty of nature with Garden Collection, of course by Stamperia.